production of voice begins with the initiation of the intrinsic muscles, which are the cricothyroid, the LCA, which is an adductor, the IA, which is an adductor, and the PCA, which is an abductor. The balance and coordination of these muscles contributes to the production of voicing and articulation. To manipulate pitch, the cricothyroid lengthens and tenses the vocal folds, and the posterior cricothyroid abducts the vocal folds to create phonation and externally rotates the arytenoid cartilages. Following a buildup of subglottic pressure from the lungs, the vocal folds move from the bottom to top in a wave-like motion through oscillation. For respiration to occur, the main intrinsic muscle, the diaphragm, has to be involved. Negative pressure is created by the airflow from subglottic pressure through the intraglottic space. This causes the vocal folds to come back together. Resonance is then determined as the air travels through the vocal tract, through the oral and then nasal cavities. The articulators then manipulate the sounds to produce different phonemes. The aerodynamic myoelastic theory explains the causes of the vocal fold abduction and adduction caused by the negative pressure buildup. The body cover theory by Hirano separated the layers of the vocal folds into three separate parts: the body, which is the vocalis muscle, the cover, which is the epithelium and the lamina propria superficial layer, and the transition layer, which is the intermediate and deep layers of the lamina propria. The body cover theory's main focus is the mucosal wave and the vibration and phonation of the vocal folds. There's also a self-oscillating theory by Tietze that is based on the relationship of the aerodynamic events with the mechanical tissue of the vocal folds, the subglottic and intraglottic pressure, and how that maintains vibration of the vocal folds.